In the course Social Problems, all papers must be written in formal APA format. To help you with this process, a template's been created. You want to first save the template to your computer or download it, and then open it after it's been saved to your computer from your computer in Word. If we take a look at page 1, we'll notice at the top there's an area called Running Head. To insert the correct title in this area, take the cursor, left click, make the changes or insert the title. When you're done, just click somewhere else on the paper. Sometimes the paper will jump when you do that. Go back to the top page. Again, you put the title in this area, insert your name, and you'll notice that there's some instructions, some helpful hints in blue. After you've written the paper, you'll want to go back and delete all the blue text before submitting the paper. On page 2, we have an abstract. Most papers require an abstract. This is a one paragraph summary of your paper, and you actually write it last. You write the paper, go back, write a one paragraph summary, and notice that only in the abstract the paragraph does not indent. This is the only place that this is acceptable. When we say the heart of the paper or the content of the paper, we're talking about at this point, the page that immediately follows the abstract. So if we say you need to write at least 6 pages of content, this is the part that we talk about, the heart of the paper. You have to insert the title again, and there will be headings, as many headings as you need. You will always have a conclusion heading. We'll be back on this page in just 1 second. Notice on the final page is called References. Every source that is listed in References must be cited in the body heart of the paper. If you have 5 sources listed, all 5 must be cited in the body of the paper. Notice that the textbook is illustrated here in correct APA format. Now let's talk about how we cite in the body of the paper. We notice that the primary textbook, there are 2 examples of how to cite the textbook. One is if you've been writing an idea from the textbook, but you didn't actually incorporate the author's name as part of the discussion in the sentence, you're just giving credit. You would then use this format for citation. However, if you're actually using the author's names in the sentence, such as Henslin and Fowler stated that, you would use this format. For this course, anytime you cite the textbook, you must provide the page number or numbers. This is to help the reader know exactly where you found the concept. Typically in APA, you only use page numbers for direct quotes, talking about data, or referring to a table. However, we assume that most of the time you'll be paraphrasing in your paper, but for the textbook, you must provide the page number. I hope that this overview provides some helpful hints on how to use this template for writing your formal papers in social problems. Thank you.